Since I've had some questions on how I ship coffee mugs, I'm going to show you guys here real quick how I ship a coffee mug. First off, we use the 7x7x6 priority mailbox. This is a great box for a lot of small things. We charge a flat rate pretty much of $9.99 on our coffee mugs because it gives us enough space to wrap them up, protect them, so whenever we ship them out, nothing's going to get broke. So I'm going to tape up this box real quick and then I'll show you what I do. Okay, now that I got the bottom of the box taped up, I'm going to take the mug and I'm going to grab a business card we have right here and also one of our stickers, which we normally throw in with every order. We're also going to throw in something new that we're going to try here. We actually have a QR code. It'll take us right to our channel to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Pop that in there. I also have a bunch of bubble wrap down here from American Bubble Boy, so I'm going to grab some bubble wrap and wrap this mug up. You can never use enough bubble wrap, so I got a big long string here. So now, nice and easy, wrap this thing up. We definitely don't want it to break. Put it right in the box, and guess what? This thing's not going to move anywhere. Super easy. Fold the lid over, grab your tape, throw a little bit more tape on. As you can see, we're using the eBay tape here. Normally too, I've been throwing some on the sides just because it doesn't stick. It will now. Give it a quick shake. That thing's not moving anywhere.